Have you ever wondered whether Earth is truly the only planet in this vast universe capable of supporting life? Imagine a world where you face extreme temperatures, ranging from an everlasting winter-like cold to scorching heat like a blazing desert. Or perhaps a place where day and night are separated by just a few hours, causing everything to occur at an astonishingly rapid pace. Together, we're about to embark on a journey to explore strange planets that might harbor life somewhere in this immense universe. What exciting discoveries could these mysterious worlds hold for us, and could any life forms be strong enough to endure such harsh environments? About 20 light-years away from us, hidden within the constellation of Eridanus, lies a mysterious and extreme planet called HD 2794d. Classified as a super-Earth, this planet is larger than Earth but smaller than gas giants like Neptune. However, what truly sets HD 2794d apart is not its size, but rather its highly eccentric elliptical orbit. Imagine standing on this planet. Each year, you would witness unbelievable climate transformations. When HD 2794d is at its farthest orbital point, twice as distant from its star as Earth is from the Sun, the planet plunges into absolute freezing temperatures. Its entire surface becomes an endless icy wasteland, completely devoid of any signs of life. Yet, as the planet gradually moves closer to its host star, everything begins to change rapidly. Ice melts, forming vast oceans that exist only briefly. As it reaches its closest point, just 112 million kilometers from the star, the surface temperature spikes dramatically. The recently formed oceans quickly evaporate, leaving behind a cracked, dry, and scorching desert-like landscape. Then, as the planet drifts away again, temperatures plummet once more, returning it to a state of freezing darkness. This unusual orbit raises profound questions for scientists. How could a planet sustain itself under such extreme environmental conditions? Could life potentially exist or even evolve on a place like HD 2794d? Discovering HD 2794d was no simple task. Astronomers employed the radial velocity method, carefully observing the tiny wobbles or movements of its host star caused by the planet's gravitational pull. By measuring these subtle shifts, scientists were able to determine HD 2794d's location, orbit, and mass. The larger the observed wobble, the greater the mass of the planet. Ultimately, scientists found that HD 2794d is approximately 6 times more massive than Earth. Why does this planet have such an eccentric orbit? Scientists have proposed several theories. One theory suggests that billions of years ago, during the formation of the planetary system, a larger planet might have disturbed the orbit of HD 2794d, pushing it into its current extreme elliptical trajectory. Another theory is that this system once housed a massive planet whose gravitational influence elongated HD 2794d's orbit. Eventually, this larger planet might have been ejected from the system, leaving HD 2794d alone to continue its unusual orbital path. If life exists on HD 2794d, it would have to overcome unprecedented challenges. Organisms would need to adapt swiftly to extreme temperature fluctuations, potentially developing unique survival strategies such as extended deep hibernation during harsh winters or extraordinary heat resistance during scorching summers. Scientists hypothesize that if life does exist here, it would require specialized biological mechanisms far beyond our current understanding and imagination. HD 2794d is not merely an intriguing scientific discovery. It poses important questions about the limits of life's existence in the universe. It challenges traditional views of habitable planets and opens up exciting possibilities that countless, more astonishing worlds await our discovery.